Hey, D'Angelo here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I got another Amazon Flex video for you guys. This is just going to be on some more payment proofs and why you should jump into Amazon right now, because this is definitely by far, if you're going to do it, this is the best time to get into it. But before I do that, I had a few people hit me up like, hey man, why are you doing so many Amazon Flex videos? You know, where are the CPA marketing videos? Where are the affiliate marketing videos and all that stuff, right? So let me just show you guys something here. So as you guys can see, this is my last 6 videos, right? And look at them. Well, number one, Amazon, 26,000 views in one day. Low-key, your boy was sleeping on those shorts. I'm starting to mess with those more. The second one, $1,700 in 8 days with Amazon Flex. Third, 3,500, 15 days Amazon Flex. Fourth, 1,700 at Amazon. You know, then the fifth one has nothing to do with making money online. It's about some credit limit. And then number 6 is, again, 5,022 days with Amazon. Why would I make the videos that you guys don't watch? Like, look, I made a video 7 months ago how I made $15,000 in 4 days, showed the Stripe payments, everything. 1,200 video views. Amazon, here it is right here. 2.6K views. It's made it around the same exact time 7 months ago, right? This video a little older, but how I made $22,000 in 1 month. Showed the payment proofs, everything, whole 9 yards. Literally was at the bank when I made that video. Well, that one don't really count because that's been on my my homepage for a minute. But y'all get the point. Like, look at these right here. Took 5 years for this video to get 5K views, and I made $34,000 in 28 days. This did 5 times that in a day, right? Like, I took $300 and turned it to over $40,000 in gross sales with Amazon FBA. Literally just going to Walmarts and all this stuff, whatnot, flipping. And then they even took one of my videos and put that in like their little CBS little news piece, the whole 9 yards. 364 views. So why would I go and make all these videos to teach you guys how to make thousands upon thousands of dollars when most of you don't watch them? And then the people that do watch them, only like 4 or 5 of them actually really take action. Like, if that's the case, you might just go get the course. You know, why put this stuff out here for free? But obviously, I'm still throw some stuff out here and whatnot. But yes, that's why your boy has been focusing more on the Amazon Flex because, you know, it's literally idiot proof. It's fuck up proof. Like, you can't fuck up Amazon. It's great. You know, you literally put a package on the porch, you take a picture, boom, you're done. Make sure the house number matches the one on the package. Done. Like, it's great. It's not difficult at all. But anyway, now to finally get into the Amazon part. Sorry for my Amazon Flex people. But yeah, $830 in 4 days. So as you guys can see right here, 150, 102, 152, 100, 103, 96, 119, and then that's of course how we got our 830. Now, this is by far the best time to get into it because gas is going down. Like, it's great. This has been the first time, at least in my area, gas has been under $3 in a long time. So gas is going down. Rates are going up because 1 is cold. 2, there's going to be a crap ton. When I say a crap ton, I mean a crap ton of routes and packages and, you know, stuff that you can deliver right now simply because it's the holidays. Like, this is Q4. So you should definitely be selling some stuff on Amazon FBA. You should have your own stores up online, getting rid of old stuff in the house, whatever. People are, you know, spinning up and buying stuff left and right. So, yeah. But, that's pretty much it. It's pretty much just a lot of money to be made right now just to simply put a package on the porch. Like, it still blows my mind that you can make like $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 a month to literally put a package on the porch. And then a lot of them are free. Like, I had one this morning. I made $236 today with Amazon Flex, and 134 of it was free. Because there was no route, so just free. And that happens literally between low and 5 times to like over 10 times a month. It just gives you a free route here. Oh, well, you know, we didn't have anything. Here. Imagine that. You just show up to work. They didn't have no work, so you get paid to go home. It's great. It's beautiful. But, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. And like I said, definitely jump into the Amazon Flex stuff here because, you know, it's stupid easy money.